Viewers, this is Koyeb Ranch. In this video, I'm going to share information about cattle gestation or pregnancy and stages of gestation. A cattle gestation process involves conception, embryonic development, including cell division, and placental formation within the uterus, culminating in a gestation period of approximately 283 days or 9 months. During pregnancy, the conceptus attaches to the uterus and develops a placenta, which provides nutrients and facilitates gas exchange, leading to the formation of a fully developed calf ready for birth or parturition. The cattle gestation involves certain stages or processes. It goes through a conception stage, journey to the uterus stage, implantation and placentation stage, placentum formation stage, fetus growth stage, and the sixth stage is parturition stage. Let us take a closer look at detailed explanation of these various stages. The conception stage. The life cycle begins when sperm fertilizes an egg, leading to cell division and the formation of a blastocyst. Blastocyst is a ball of cells that forms early in a pregnancy, about 5 to 6 days after a sperm fertilizes an egg. It implants in the uterine wall, eventually becoming the embryo and then the fetus. The second stage, that's journey to the uterus. The early embryo travels to the uterus while undergoing rapid cell divisions in a process called cleavage. And then the third stage being implantation and placentation. At this stage, around day 16 to day 18, the embryo elongates and implants in the uterine endometrium for the formation of placenta, starting from around day 22. The placentum formation is marked with fusion of the placental cartilagens with the caruncles. These are areas on the uterine wall to form placentums, which are critical for fetus and maternal gas and nutrient exchange. The fifth stage, that's the fetus growth. The fetus continues to grow within the uterus, supported by the amniotic sac fluids and the placenta. And then the final stage, that's parturition. After about 283 days of the gestation, the calf is fully developed and ready to be born. To recap with what I've just explained, life cycle begins at conception, when the sperm fertilizes the egg. After fertilization, the conceptus undergoes rapid cell divisions known as cleavages while traveling to the uterus. Around day 16 to day 18, the conceptus implants in the uterine wall, and by day 22, placentation begins. The placenta develops by forming structures called placentums, which are fusions of the fetal cartilagen and the maternal caruncles. Cartilagen is the tissue forming the embryo, and then the caruncles is the tissue forming by the mother to the fetus. The fetus continues to grow and develop within the uterus, supported by the placenta and the amniotic sac. After about 283 days or 9 months after gestation, the calf is fully developed and ready to be born. Structure of the placenta. The placenta is a flattened circular organ in the uterus of a pregnant mammal, nourishing and maintaining the fetus through the umbilical cords. Its main function is to attach the fetus to the mother. It also exchanges nutrients and waste products between the fetus and the mother. The chorion is the outmost membrane surrounding an embryo, which contributes to the formation of a placenta. Its main function is to supply blood that forms the placenta. The allantois. The allantois is a vascular fetal membrane lying between the chorion of the placenta. Its main function is to collect waste products such as urine from the fetus. The amnion. The amnion is an innermost membrane that encloses the embryo of a mammal. It contains amniotic fluid, which protects the embryo from shocks, injuries, and dehydration. It also controls temperature. In the placenta, see key management aspects to consider as cattle farmers to optimize farm efficiency and profitability. Producers need to understand and manage the gestation period accurately. The average gestation period for a cattle is 283 days. The specific gestation length can vary depending on factors such as the breed of the cattle, the number and sex of the fetuses. Cows come into heat roughly every 21 days, providing a limited window for conception during postpartum period. After calving, a cow needs at least 50 days before she should be rebred to allow for uterine recovery and involution. Farmers use direct or indirect methods to confirm pregnancy, essential for reproduction management and achieving a 12 to 14 months calving interval. Early and accurate pregnancy diagnosis is crucial for managing cattle reproduction effectively. This is the conclusion of my video, and thank you for viewing. If you have any comments, please leave it in the comment box. And stay tuned to my next video, which is parturition or birth as the final stage of cattle reproduction. Bye-bye.